What's up, YouTube? Today I'm at home and I made some slime. See? I mixed them all together. I think I had blue, I had red, and I think yellow, and then no, green, and then I mixed it up together. And look. Well, I don't know how to make slime, but I might make. My mom might go to Walmart and get some more. Well, the the go follow to my girl Kayla TV, Kaylin Johnson. Yeah, go follow to her. And I'm just gonna play with this. Okay, I'm done. And so I'll see you in a little bit. Peace.